the Brickyard. We are here. Man, this place is big.
Okay, day two. So we are here at the famous Indianapolis Motor Speedway. Just pulled in, parked. A lot of people already here. Gonna go over and check out the races, check out the paddock, the cars, kind of take you guys through everything. This is my first time at the Speedway. I know it's super famous, so check this one off the list, but let's go in and see what it's all about. I just wrapped up a grid walk. It was a chance to get really close to some of these race cars here today, which is very cool. Get down in the pits, kind of check things out. So that's a wrap for day two. Really awesome time here at the Speedway. As my first time here, it was cool just to see, obviously, the facility. Pretty well known, but lots of access to garages. There was a grid walk and got to see a whole bunch of people I've been looking to connect with. So, would I come to Luft? That's probably the reason you watch this video if you've never been to one. Absolutely yes. It's a very unique show. It's different than some other shows like DRT or going to Amelia or something like that. This is all air cooled, so obviously it's got its own vibe. But I would say between the amazing examples of the cars, the really cool people you're likely to run into, the events that sort of are part of the entire weekend, definitely would come. So if you've been thinking about it, you've been on the fence for next year, be sure you book your ticket and get there. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Appreciate you watching the channel. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Appreciate you guys coming along. Stay tuned to the channel. We got a whole bunch of stuff coming, not the least of which is Best Drive of the Year. In my opinion, Foreign is happening next week. I'll be taking you guys along for that as we go back to the Smokies and do a 2-day driving event. Thanks for tuning in and catch you on the next one.